Drop some more. A handful.
Yeah.
Just drop it.
I want to get closer here.
Ready to go? He's waiting. Let's go to the next drive-through window. Go a little bit over here. They put out a muffin? Are you freaking kidding me?
Yeah. Because it's not muffin. Dude.
Looks like people are throwing muffins.
They're not supposed to do that. You never know what happens to the animals when they do.
Oh boy. Oh girl. Yeah.
Is she eating that?
Mm-hmm.
Good. I think it's just pressed grass. Some vitamins. Hey, buddy.
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Daddy.
Well, how's your hand open?
Daddy.
Careful. Uh-huh.
No, 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 no. Take a picture, Dad.
Some more?
Take a picture of me.
Okay, come on, hold it with both hands.
Take a picture. Take a picture.
I'm recording all this.
That's it, buddy. Bye.
No. Picture some more.
Want to feed him some more?
Oh,
What about that? Don't make too many noise. Okay, that's it, buddy. Come on. Bye.
Hang on, hang on. Let me take a picture of him.
That's it.
No.